Madam Jelly, I don't think I am going to entertain you any longer in this compound. Students are complaining, teachers are complaining. No. You see, and you are barely 3 months old in this school. If you check the results, Form 2 North, your classes are D-. Other classes are B. Form 1 South, your classes are C-. The other classes are B+. What explanation can you give for this? You know, I'm learning, short of telling you to clear and leave, I would rather stay without a teacher. What explanation can you give for this? You know, this kind of discrepancies in the results, I don't think I'm going to entertain you. I would rather be in this school without you.
Madam, will be a problem. Because when I look at these grades, a D-, a C-, I don't even remember the last time we registered this kind of performance. What are we even going to tell the parents? And particularly when they look at the comparison between their girls, their classes and the others, a D and a B, a C- and a B+. And again, Madam, last week but one you were on duty. So many complaints landed on my desk. In the dining hall, there was no order, there were a lot of chaos. Classrooms, during preps, there was a lot of noise. There was no control whatsoever in the school. Surely, this one cannot continue. Is there a problem? Is there something that we should know so that we see how to assist one another? Because this definitely cannot continue. We owe our parents a lot, not to mention our students. And this is a trend that surely cannot go on. Do you have anything to say?
You know, madam, if you have issues that you need to bring to our attention, you'd rather do that. Could you be having domestic issues that are spilling over to the school?
And probably we may assist.
You know, this is not normal.
Wewe, ulikuja kula ama ulikuja kazi? Nakuuliza ulikuja kula kama kazi?
Kazi.
Mara ngapi nimehuti? Nimehuti mara ngapi? Ni ndio mnaajiri yangu mnakuja tu kulala tu mshahara mnakaja mweke kwa buko. Kwa nini unarudi? Wewe. Hii ng'ombe iko?
Principal.
Nakuuliza hii ng'ombe iko? Nimekuuliza principal ama
ako huko ndani.
Nani? Sije Uwezi hebu fungua faster. Leo kuja ulale. Umesikia? Uende ulale tena. What is it?
Mom, you're embarrassing me.
Embarrassing you for what?
Mom, please, just...
Junior, you are quite a disappointment, you.
No, please, just go, please.
I go where? Let me tell you, you have not seen me yet. Whatever I'm going to do here.
Mama, Aki, please.
Do you know, Junior, you are quite a disappointment to me.
I've become a laughing stock in school.
That is exactly what I want. And let me tell you, if you want me to be otherwise, tell your father, the principal, to behave. To do what?
Mom, please.
You.
Please.
Can you go to class? Can you go back to class? I'm not going. Can you go back to class? I'm going to beat you.
Please, Mom.
Junior, you're quite a disappointment to me.
In fact, when the parents get to see this kind of results, we don't have any explanation. What are we going to tell them, surely?
She's aware we answerable to so many quotas.
Yes.
Madam Jerry, you know, it's either we are talking or we postpone this meeting, because I don't think I'm going to entertain this kind of silence. Don't see us postponing this meeting. You'd be better off out of this compound.
Anything to tell us, madam? We see how we can help each other, because we are here to help each other.
Would there be issues, domestic or that needs our attention? Oh, karibu mama Irimo. Unaweza kutupatia tu just a few minutes, dakika kama 5 hivi. I have a meeting tumalize kidogo. Utakuja?
Mimi nitoke.
A few minutes tu nimalize a meeting niko nayo hapa, just a minute or two.
I can as well be present in the meeting.
We have some official matters we are discussing. Tupatie dakika 2.
I'm also your official wife. I can be as well be in the meeting.
Sometimes you get nasty. I'm just asking for 2 minutes.
You're supposed to have given me a seat.
Now, what's wrong with you,
We are in
Mama
a
Irimo?
meeting, madam.
Yes.
We are in a meeting. Can you sit there?
Sasa Mama Irimo, what kind of nonsense have you brought into this office now?
Am I talking to
Si utoke tumalize mkutano niko nayo.
Kutoka nini stoki?
Hebu toka tupatie dakika 2 nimalize na hao walimu tuende.
Stoki.
Bwana principal, can we leave for a moment and then we come back?
Who to leave?
No.
I think we can leave and we have to see for a...
Answer me. Let me ask you.
What kind of drama have you brought in this office now?
What is it that you're having between you and him?
What?
Sasa hiyo ni swali la aina gani unamuuliza?
Don't think I'm so stupid. Don't think I'm so
she's my
stupid.
deputy.
My deputy, my foot. You think I'm so stupid? I know literally everything.
Sasa unaongea tu ya nini? This is not the right
I'm not
forum.
talking to you, Kaidri.
I know everything. What is all this?
I know everything.
Mama Irimo, please.
I know you have a relationship with her.
What are you talking about? That relationship?
Gosh.
From where?
What are you talking about?
I'm talking about that. What are you doing together?
I am the deputy principal of this school. He's a principal. Anything wrong with that?
Deputy principal, my foot. Now what were you doing in that hotel with him?
Which hotel?
Hotel? Which hotel, madam?
Hotel gani?
Stop asking me.
You know, what is happening here?
Get out of here.
This is getting too much.
Hebu nipatieni dakika mbili kidogo tuta.
I'm not through yet. And you are a new teacher here. Now you have also found husband in him. Are you married?
Married. What kind of a question are you asking? Sasa nini kimekuleta hapa?
Am I talking to you? Let me tell you.
Mwalimu,
for once hamunijui.
Mwalimu, hebu nipatie dakika mbili.
Nimewaambia hamunijui.
Nipatie dakika mbili tuta.
Na mtanipata. Kwanza hizi hizi ziko na messages.
That's my private phone.
Private phone. You are interfering with the
Rudisha simu za wenyewe, utoke uende kule unaenda.
You are both interfering with a private person. As private it is to you, is private to me.
Toka uende na utoe ujinga kwa hiyo ofisi.
Na nimetoka. But let me tell you. Listen to me and listen to me good. You either leave him or else I don't need to finish.
Can I have my phone?
Wachana naye. Wacha aende nazo.
With all due respect, Madam Principal, what is all this about?
Wacha aende na simu. Unajua
how does somebody, your spouse, come to bring domestic issues to school? I think this is just too much. Why are she taking our phones now? I mean,
I now realize that I'm not alone in this kind of thing.
What do you mean?
I've been a principal for more than 20 years.
What?
What are you saying?
Before I came here, I was a principal. But I had to transfer from Nakuru.
But why?
Because of my husband.
And you have never shared this with us.
Yes, I was a principal for more than 20 years in Nakuru. He would come to school drunk, get into my office, insult me in front of the students, in front of the teachers, and cause all manner of drama.
Wait a minute. How would you allow this as a principal? Surely. You have said you were the principal. You were in charge of the school, weren't you?
That's a public institution.
You think it's that easy?
But I don't understand. When you are in school and you're the principal, you should...
Have we not been having the same issue here in this school?
But can't you keep them away from school?
Madam,
I don't understand.
It is easier said than done, madam.
But I cannot imagine my husband coming to school.
What have I not tried myself? The many times I've even tried to take her to the police, the police just laugh at me. What can I do?
I don't understand.
You may never understand.
Such spouses are just out of control.
And definitely, you see, it affects your performance in school.
Definitely. You know, I even tried to get a divorce. But it was very difficult. It didn't go through. I tried to bring in parents from both sides. It didn't work. It was hard for me, difficult, embarrassing. I couldn't take it anymore.
Are you telling me this is the reason you want to transfer all the way from Nakuru to this place?